Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 11, 2024. 5-star Sudoku. Column G, we get 217. So 217 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. Column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then third grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 9. First row, second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 7th row and 8th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column I, column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 9. It will come in one of these cells. 5th row and 6th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column A, column B, third row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. The 6 is confirmed here. Second row, third row, we have pair numbers 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column A, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. First row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then first row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Third row, column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column B, column A, we have pair numbers 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column G, column B, column E, column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then column A, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 5th row and 6th row, column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 5th grade. And 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 6. It will come in one of these cells. Column E, column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column E, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 7th row, 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 9. Column F, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. 8th grade. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. The 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade. 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. First grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. First grade, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column C and 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th grade, 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I, 9th grade. And 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.